Hello everyone, and welcome to my video where I show you how to draw and color this adorable Mother's Day drawing of a mother and a baby in a heart. If you have any mothers in your life that you want to give a gift to, I think this would go really nicely and be a great gift that can make somebody's day. I'll show you step by step, and you can use whatever colors you want in the end to finish it off, any colors that are meaningful to you. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. So everything that we're going to do today is going to be within this big heart shape. We're going to do that first, and everything is going to sort of fit inside of it. So I will start by making this sort of lopsided, top is bigger, bottom is smaller, and I'm going to do it across basically the whole page. I want this drawing to be nice and big. So I'm going to make a dot right there on my page, and I'm going to do a big curve. This is for the mama half. Okay, a big curve. It almost looks like a big question mark. So this is for the mom half of my heart. If yours looks a little bit different, that's okay, as long as your half, the mom half, is bigger and your baby half is smaller. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the baby half and I'm going to connect it and down to a point. And there you have it. There is a lopsided, it kind of looks almost like a mitt, like an oven mitt. So this is going to be the basic shape for everything. Okay, so first I'm going to draw the mom and baby faces, and then we'll take it from there. So I'm going to draw the mom face, and I'm going to give her some big hair to fill out the rest of the space. But first, towards this edge here, I'm going to draw a curved line, almost like an upside down C. So that represents mom's face. I'll give her an ear. Ear is just a C shape. Another smaller C shape towards the top. And then a really teeny tiny C shape at the bottom here. And that's our ear. I'm not going to connect these dots yet because I'm going to put hair there at a later stage. So then I'm going to do eyes that are looking down on baby. So upside down curves like this for two eyes that look like they're looking down. And then I'm going to make the eyebrow, the left eyebrow first, and the right eyebrow is going to come down just a little bit further, and that's going to indicate that there's a nose there. I'm going to keep the nose simple this time and just do a downward facing curve like this. And a small mouth underneath that. You need to show that mama is smiling. So that's the top lip. And then a little curved shape for the bottom lip. Okay, so that's mom's face. Now let's draw the baby. So we're imagining that the baby is kind of being swaddled in this cute little blanket. So I am going to draw the baby's face first again. It's going to be a little bit smaller, but not too much smaller than mom's face. And also rounder. So I'm going to draw a circle. Little circle shape like this. Sort of an oblong circle. It's not a perfect circle. If yours looks a little bit different, again, that's okay. And then the baby's really happy. It's in mama's arms. So its eyes are doing this cute little thing. So it's like two little upside down curves. So it looks like it's really smiling. And so is the nose. Pretty much the same shape, just a little bit smaller. And a little laughing face. And for eyebrows, babies don't have very much eyebrows, so we're just going to give them a little bit of indication of eyebrow there. Okay, that's the smiling baby. All right, now I'm going to continue as if this is like the swaddle. I'm going to continue this line down to about here, and I want to leave a little space for the arm. Okay, and then on this side too, there's going to be an arm coming out. Okay, so I'm going to imagine that this is the hair. This is just a line for the hair. That's the neck. So this is Mama's neck. And I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a shoulder. Now, everything about her is going to be very soft and curved, so I'm not going to be very angled joints. But the shoulder is going to continue down to where it meets up here. And then when it meets in this heart line, it's going to curve back in and connect with the other heart line, only leaving a little point over here. So that's arm number 1. And then arm number 2 is going to be coming from behind the baby's swaddle here and be a curved line like that. And I'm going to stop here because now I have to think about where the hands are going and what they're looking like. I'm going to keep the hands super, super simple. So the arm that is going from here is coming up and the hand will be here. Now this arm is going to be on top. So I'm going to draw it first. So this is the hand, and I'm going to keep it simple. So a curved line going up, another curve. This is for the thumb. Okay, we got thumb. And I'm just going to do that almost like a mitt. And then I'm going to draw 3 lines because we have 4 fingers and a thumb. Okay, so that's arm number 1 completed. Now I'm going to do arm number 2. First, starting with drawing the line that completes the arm. Now this arm is going behind and it comes and peeks back through here, but I'm going to do the same kind of hand, but facing the opposite way. So starting with a thumb, and then a mitt shape, and then 3 lines. If you could fit 2, fit only 2. I really only could fit 2. Okay, I'm going to connect this line here. And that's pretty much it. So we have arms holding the baby, we got hands holding the baby, and the rest I'm going to finish her hair with. So, and the rest I'm just going to finish off her hair. So all of this extra space here is going to be hair, starting with, I'm going to give her like a middle part, draw a few lines, 3 lines here, 3 lines there. And that's how I'm going to imagine the hair is just waving, waving. And you're just going to create waves that sort of follow the angles that we've already, sorry, it's going to follow the curves we've already created. And that way when you color it, you could do all sorts of colorful things to color it in. Okay. And you guys can just freestyle this part or follow along with the lines that I'm putting in. And that's that. So there you have this really cute drawing. Okay, and that's that for the hair. So maybe within, I'll put a little heart. Actually, Okay, so now I'm looking at the swaddle. I think with the swaddle, I might draw an extra line that goes like here. So it looks like the baby blanket is being swaddled around. And then why not? I'll add a little heart right in the middle here. Okay, so that is the end of the drawing portion of this video. The next thing I'm going to do is color this in, and we will join you in a sec. Okay, so here it is all colored. Feel free to color this in whatever colors are meaningful and special to you and your family, or to your friends, or to whoever you want to make this drawing for. I will see you in the next video, and if you enjoyed this one, please give me a like and subscribe, and I hope to teach you some more cool drawing stuff. Bye bye.